On this channel, we strive to help Christian entrepreneurs unleash their true potential through personal development and spiritual growth. Today, we will be discussing how to craft a powerful personal development plan that will guide you towards success in both your business and personal life. Step 1. Evaluate your strengths and weaknesses. Take the time to reflect on your skills and areas that need improvement. Remember, as a Christian entrepreneur, it's important to align your talents with your God-given purpose. Step 2. Set specific and achievable goals. Write down your long-term and short-term goals. These goals should be aligned with your values, both as an entrepreneur and as a Christian. Step 3. Break your goals into actionable steps. Create a roadmap with clear milestones that will help you progress towards your objectives. This will give you a sense of direction and purpose. Step 4. Seek guidance and accountability. Surround yourself with mentors and like-minded individuals who can provide valuable insights and support. Remember, we are called to live in community and to learn from one another. Step 5. Invest in continuous learning. Never stop seeking knowledge. Attend workshops, conferences, or enroll in courses that will enhance your skills and expand your knowledge in your chosen field. Step 6. Prioritize self-care and spiritual growth. As Christian entrepreneurs, it's vital to take care of your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Dedicate time for prayer, meditation, exercise, and rest. Remember, God wants you to flourish in all areas of your life. Step 7. Review, adjust, and celebrate achievements. Regularly evaluate your progress, make adjustments if necessary, and celebrate each milestone you reach. Remember, every step forward matters. Crafting a powerful personal development plan as a Christian entrepreneur will help you align your actions with your faith and unlock your true potential. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content to help you on your journey. Lastly, check out our resources on our main profile.